Hello to all my Lovin light beings, welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D, aka my Alaskan Queen, and this here is Green. If you'd like to join the Secret Sacred Shadow Spirit Society, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. In today's video, I'm really excited to do a new unboxing with you. We're going to be doing the Boxy charm versus Ipsy, and this is the Ipsy Glam Plus. This is my very first Boxy charm. I've been excited to get this for about a year now. When I first tried to order it back in February, they informed me that they don't ship to Alaska, and so I kind of put it on the back burner until I decided to check it out again. And it turns out I guess they started shipping in the end of March or beginning of April of last year. So I was a little disappointed that I've been missing out, but I got rid of my birch box, and I also got rid of my glossy box. I have one more of each coming this month, and then that's it. But I'm really happy with these two subscriptions here. And this Boxy charm is actually for January. And I was a little bit surprised. It came in this little box. All the other unboxings I've seen, they were pretty big, more like this size here. But let's go ahead and get started. It says Boxy and Chill. Here's a little description card of all the products and the retail prices on the back. And the very first thing in here is by Briorgio. This is Rosarco Milk. It's a leave-in conditioner spray. This is 2 ounces. Sorry about that, guys. Let me see if this helps. Is that okay? Anyway. There you go. Effectively restore your hair's softness, manageability, moisture, and shine with Briogeo Rosarco Milk Spray, infused with a signature blend of ultra-nourishing rosehip, argan, and coconut oils. This spray works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat while locking in moisture, restoring luster, and diminishing frizz. The retail price goes for $12. The next thing in here is by Billion Dollar Brows. I've got a brush from them that I really like. This is a universal brow pencil, specially and carefully formulated to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. This self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin. The spoolie at the end makes for easy blending, and the smooth and creamy formula makes for easy application. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $18. So let's go ahead and give it a quick swatch right here. Oh. See that it's kind of a light brown, but that'll work really nicely. So the next thing in here is by Ofra Cosmetics. This is a long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Havana Nights. It's kind of like this dark red. This matte liquid lipstick delivers long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in lips. The stunning pigment stays put all day with minimal transfer while maintaining a comfortable wear. Infused with vitamin A and antioxidants, your lips will look and feel healthy all day. And then we also have this Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, actually 2 of them, by Tatcha. Limited edition, Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask 2-pack. It says, nourish skin from within using the lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 ml of skin-quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restore skin's health and radiance. These retail for $24, so $12 each. I think I forgot this. This retails for $20. Then I'm just going to set green on my lap here for a second. The very last thing in this Boxy charm for January is the Tarte Limited Edition Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 Eyeshadow Palette. It says, dive into this vegan crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serves as the perfect transition shade. This blendable and long wear formula is enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants, helping to hydrate and protect the lids. And there's the shades there. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm actually going to give this to my mom. They're very pretty. There's the matte shade there. Very awesome. I love the packaging. It retails for $36. So the total value of this Boxy charm is $110 worth of products. And I received it for $26. And I do think that it's originally $21, but they charged me an additional $5 for shipping because I do live in Alaska. And I forgot to show you the inside of the box. It comes with this nice little foam here, which is really good. I know that bubble wrap is bad for the environment, so it's awesome to see something besides that. Maybe it could come in handy later on for arts and crafts project, who knows. Okay, so let's go ahead and go right into our Ipsy box. Can you say hi real quick? Let's fix your hair. Isn't that just like a mom to slick her child's hair back? Not that he's a child or anything, but he's my little baby. Yeah, he's my baby. Okay, so let's go into the Ipsy Glam Plus. This is February's box. Oh. Here's the inside. It also comes with this nice foam packaging, and it says on the top here, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. It also comes with one of these information packets. So let's go ahead and start with this side here. The very first thing is this Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Retail value is $24. When you can't be bothered to fumble with falsies, why not reach for a mascara that plumps your natural lashes up with drama minus the glue or mess. Infused with peach leaf extract, walnut seed extract, and licorice root extract, this mascara formula conditions and moisturizes your lashes all day long and keeps the mascara from flaking. So that's pretty awesome. I actually haven't found a favorite eyelash mascara yet, so we'll keep on trying, although I haven't tried very many. The very next thing in here is by Finding Ferdinand. I was really excited to get this shade because the other one was nude. This is in Nob Hill. Excuse me. The retail value is $30. It says, this classic red lip shade earns a prime spot in your purse, an ideal pop of sophisticated color that pulls any look together in an instant and no more messy spills. The pop in and out feature will keep your bag pristine. I thought that was really awesome, even if it falls to the bottom. So there's the shade there. Let's go ahead and do a quick swatch. It's a very nice red. I'm sorry, boobs. It says, switch up the shade by pairing it with your fave lighter, darker lip liner to create a color that's just right. Fill in your lips with the liner, then use the lipstick as a topper. So that's a great tip. The very next thing I see is by Hanelli Sugar Lip Scrub. Who wouldn't rather be sitting on a beach right now, made with real Maui sugar crystals, the pure kukui nut from Hawaii? Hanelli's Lip Scrub leaves your lips feeling baby soft while sending you, mentally at least, off to the Hawaiian Islands minus the jet lag. Sugar crystals exfoliate and invigorate dead skin, while fatty acids and vitamin A and C from the cocoa nut repair chapped lips. Shea butter locks in moisture even on the coldest, most vicious days of winter. Wow, so I might have to try this out. All you have to do is scoop a small amount onto your lips and scrub with your finger, then rinse. Remove with a tissue or makeup wipe before applying your go-to lipstick. So it is sealed, which is very nice. Let's go ahead and just open it up and give it a smell. It smells really good. A little tiny bit florally, but I have tried a few other lip scrubs that were just, could not stand them. And then we have 2 more products, and they are awesome. Oh, did I tell you the retail value for that? It is $25. So next we have by Tarte, Double Duty Dream Big Eyeshadow Palette. I really love this. If you can see up there in the corner, there's a little piece of artwork that my niece Ayana had made for me for my birthday. I believe not this last year, but the year before. And it says Dream Big on there. She took some crayons and glued them to the top and then used a blow dryer to melt them down, which I thought was really awesome and creative. So it says, get your glam on the go. Pop this pocket-sized palette with 6 metallics and 2 matte shades in your purse to dress up your peepers before RSVPing to any last-minute party plans. And there's the shades there. Super beautiful. I like these a little bit more. They're a little bit more not so neutral looking. There's a pink and a purple. And this Hustle is like a glittery gold, kind of a burgundy shift or shimmer to it. It says, look wide awake in the morning by highlighting your inner corners with You Can, which is right here. For a night out, line your eyes in Hustle and sweep Go For It into your crease. And there's the Hustle shade there. And the Go For It is this darker brown there. Love the packaging. This is so awesome. The retail value for this is $30. I love that both of these subscriptions have Tarte products in them. I think that is amazing. Definitely worth it. I've never actually tried Tarte shadows before, so I'm looking forward to trying this out. And like I said, I'm going to give that other one to my mom, so I'll have to get her feedback on that. But there is one last product in here, and it is by It Cosmetics. It's the Your Je ne sais quoi palette. It has a value of $42, and it actually says the retail value is $80. It says this contouring palette imparts a youthful glow thanks to the beneficial ingredients like hydrolyzed collagen, silk, and peptides infused into the formula. And how convenient, you have everything you need to apply a full face in one palette. Je ne sais quoi. And you push it here to open. Ooh, nice big pan sizes. So it comes with a bronzer, a blush, a setting powder, and a highlight. Use the translucent powder in this palette to set your makeup. Warm up your complexion using the bronze shade. Sweep the blush onto the apple of your cheeks for a natural looking flush. And finish off the look by applying highlighter to the high points of your face. So that is super awesome. I am very happy with this Ipsy Glam Plus. There was one little downside that I wasn't too thrilled about, and they had sent me an email saying that they were going to send me a 6th product just for being an Ipster, and this is all I had received in the box. There's nothing else in there, so I sent them a little email stating, you know, like, why did you say you were going to send 6 products and I didn't get a 6th product? But other than that, I'm super happy and stoked. The retail value of that was $151, and I paid $25 for this monthly subscription. So overall, the Birchbox compared to the Ipsy box, you were getting $41 worth of product more in this Ipsy box. But altogether, that's $261 for a $51 price, which I believe is a huge steal because you're paying like 20% off of retail. And they're awesome, great products. I'm really looking forward to trying them out. So that's it for my video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. I enjoy reading each and every single one of your comments. And I hope to see you in the next one. Happy Valentine's Day. Say bye. Say bye. Bye.